you've got an ambient light in the back, and you've got your electrical outlet right there. And if you didn't realize you had one right here, a lot of folks don't until they take their kick plate down. You actually do have a spare lighter socket right here on this side. So if you wanted to plug something in, you certainly could. Okay, so go ahead and unplug the speaker, unplug the light, unplug the power socket, and then take this piece and set it aside. All right, now that that trim piece is down, we're going to want to take this side piece off right here. Now, normally in that hole right here, there is a T20 screw. For whatever reason, in this car, it's missing. But go ahead and take that T20 out. And then this plastic piece is on a series of those plastic rivet posts. I find it easier to grab the back edge and start to pull it away from those posts. And you can hear it start to pop free. There we go. As it'll just come free, just like that. All right, so now let me rearrange my camera angle a little bit so you can see where we're going to take down the filter. All right, so I want to lay out the new filters to show you what we're looking at up here, tucked back in the center console. So in your box, you're going to have 2 of these filters. They're also marked with airflow, so when we pull the old ones out, make sure to check which direction your airflow is going. So you have a top filter that's stacked behind this door like this that will come straight out, and then there's a bottom one that's going to come up and then back out. I'm a big fan of using a pick tool like this to reach in and get a hold of the filter to help you pull it out, because very frequently it's stuck in there pretty well, especially the top one. Now, when you look back here, you'll see there's a little door right here that I've got flipped open. The filter is back right here. I can put my fingers right here on the edge of it, which is why I'm going to use the pick tool to get a hold of it. But there's a little flip lock. You just flip this door open, and then you can reach in and pull that filter out. Okay, so let me get them both out. I'll show you what that looks like.